This is a very popular game that you can play just about anywhere. Parents often play it while waiting in line or on the bus, and teachers use it during transitions and as part of circle time. To play, all you have to do is hold your hands behind your back and chant, "Numbers, numbers, 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you see?" Then show a number of fingers and wait for the child to tell you how many they see. So if I show 3 fingers like this, they might know 3 right away, or they might need to count the fingers. 1, 2, 3. Or they might start counting at 1, but then start over again on the second hand counting 1, 2. In which case you can help them see that we keep counting across both hands. 1, 2, 3. Once they get the right number, put your hands behind your back and play again. Numbers, numbers, 1, 2, 3. How many fingers do you see? 5? Yeah, there are 5 fingers. And if we've already played a few times, I might ask, now can you use your fingers to show me 5 another way? This helps kids recognize that there are lots of ways to make up 5. They can do 4 and 1, 3 and 2, 5 and 0, or they can do those same combinations but on the opposite hands. Playing numbers, numbers, 1, 2, 3 gives kids lots of practice with counting, recognizing numbers immediately, a skill called subitizing, and it helps them recognize that numbers can be composed in different ways, which prepares them for addition and subtraction later on. And contrary to what was sometimes taught in the past, recent research shows that using your fingers in math actually helps to develop a stronger sense of number.